Hi everyone, welcome to No Ideas Media. I'm Mackenzie Skeels, and here are 5 things I bet you didn't know about the beef industry. Number 1, not every farmer grows crops and not every farmer raises cows. Plant farming and animal farming are distinctly different, obviously. There are totally farms that do both plants and animals, but that used to be more popular than it is today. These operations that do both are called mixed farming operations. Most farms are not mixed these days, so when we're talking about farming, sometimes a little context is required to know if we're talking about plant or animal farming. Number 2, we raise a lot of cattle in Canada. 63,500 farmers and ranchers raise beef cattle with an average herd size of 63 animals for a grand total of 10.9 million head. One head means one cow. Cattle farms in Western Canada are usually a little bit bigger than they are in Eastern Canada. The Canadian beef industry is a family-run industry with most cow-calf and feedlot operations run as family businesses. Number 3, ever heard of a feedlot? Maybe you've seen pictures like this where there are hundreds or thousands of cattle close together. That's probably a feedlot. A feedlot is a place where animals will go to get a special diet to get finished. Get finished essentially means get plumped up for processing. All of those cows can be from many different farms, eating many different diets. Different breeds with different genetics finish faster or slower. It's pretty technical, and there's a lot to it, but now you generally understand what a feedlot's for. Number 4, cattle generally come from one of 2 areas in the world. The first kind of cattle is Bos taurus. These are cattle who are native to countries of the UK and area, such as France, Belgium, Spain, Euro cows. These kind of cattle are used primarily for meat and milk production. The second kind of cattle are Bos indicus. So these cattle are native to the tropical countries of Southeast Asia and Africa. They have a characteristic humpback appearance. An example of a breed like this is Brahma. Equator cows. These cattle can tolerate high temperatures and humidity and are also resistant to ticks and other tropical insects and diseases. Bos indicus are used for work, meat, and milk production. But due to our chilly climate, Canada favors Bos taurus breeds like Angus, Simmentals, Charolais, and Herefords. Number 5, beef is really traceable and secure. Traceable, according to the CFIA, is the ability to follow an item or a group of items from one point of the supply chain to another, so following beef from farm to plate. Traceability ensures the protection of animal health, public health, food safety, and improves response times in emergency situations. There's a lot of cool tech here, like radio frequency identification. An approved RFID tag is applied to the animal's ear before they leave the original herd. These tags are visually and electronically embedded with a unique identification number which can help keep track of an animal's record and make traceability really easy. And that's 5 things I bet you didn't know about cattle. Thanks for watching!